The Jamaican government says its stance on reparations remain clear and unchanged. It will continue to press the UK government for compensation for the injustices of slavery. Dwayne Anderson tells us more.
The UK Reform Party stunned advocates yesterday when it proposed a policy to deny visas to people from countries seeking compensation for the injustice of the transatlantic slave trade. Jamaica is one of the countries seeking compensation from the UK for the wrongs of slavery. The Caribbean Reparations Commission swiftly condemned the UK reform's proposal as, quote, a legacy of toxic racism, end quote. I was not able to get a comment from Jamaica's Culture Minister Olivia Grange on the UK party's position. But this was Minister Grange in an interview with her news centre on Friday, reiterating Jamaica's mission when it comes to reparations.
We have a mandate from Parliament, unanimous mandate from Parliament to seek reparations. And we've been given that mandate to chart a roadmap to achieving reparatory justice. We have in fact retained lawyers, and we are going to petition the King for reparations, as we felt that the monarchy did not protect his or her loyal subjects. And so we are also taking action in that regard.
The minister was speaking moments after the Jamaican state completed a local act of reparation, handing over land titles in Albion St. James to the Rastafari Coral Gardens Benevolent Society as compensation for the atrocities of the 1963 Coral Gardens incident. Minister Grange also responded to arguments that Jamaica has been left with the figurative egg on its face after St. Kitts on April 3 declared Rastafari as a faith in law, and in doing so supposedly became the first Caribbean country to achieve this even before Jamaica. The culture minister said this is not so. She reminded persons Jamaica had recognized the Rastafari faith decades ago.
We have always identified Rastafari as a religion, and we also have Rastafarian churches that have been registered in Parliament through private members' motion and recognized as a church. We also have the Rastafari mansions.
She welcomed the push in St. Kitts and reasoned Jamaica's pioneering work has preserved the rights and expressions of Rastafari locally and internationally.
I am happy to see what St. Kitts has done and to say that Jamaica has led the way in these areas in this regard, even in relation to the reparations movement. Before any of the Caribbean islands had set up a reparations body, we had set one up in 2009.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.